Wobble the elephant, big and gray. Tried to dance on a rainy day. He slipped on a puddle. He slid on a leaf. He tried a spin, he tried a hop. He twirled so fast, he couldn't stop. Round and round like a spinning top. Round and like a spinning top. My trunk, trunk! He cried in disbelief. He wiggled his ears. He shook his tail. He danced like a boat without a sail. The monkeys laughed, ho ho hee. Wobble just grinned, dancing is free. Until crash into a lemonade shop. The shopkeeper gasped, oh my, oh dear. But Wobble just laughed, no need to fear. So Wobble kept dancing, rain or shine.